Hello everyone, this is a weekly market forecast for the week of July 13, 2020. If you have been following me in my YouTube channel, every day in our live trading room, I look at the chart to analyze and give out a short-term price direction for my members to make some extra daily income and give out a long-term stock price direction for the swing trade to make a bigger profit potential. Last week, the market, after correction in sideways pattern, and finally be able to get out the zone and continue to move higher. Even we see a record on coronavirus, but we have some good news on the way. We have $1 trillion in stimulus fund target on August. We also have a lot of country they funding the vaccine that result also have boost the markets, and the jobless claim is also coming down. So right now with a multi-trillion-dollar pump out by the Fed, they will do whatever it takes to help the economy recovery. So the market will do whatever it wants to do, but as a trader we only focus on the chart. The price on the chart will tell you everything. If you learn how to read the price chart by using modern technical analysis and understand the crowd psychology, you can buy and predict where it will go next. This is the only survival technical skill that you should learn so that you can manage your own financial future like 401k and IRA account so that you can have something left to support your family when you are no longer working. As stock navigators, we help you to understand how to use a modern technical analysis in trading, but we understand it's hard for you to know everything overnight. So we will mentor you every week until you are successful. And we will guide you every day in our live trading room so that you can see how the price action in real time so that you can survive in this volatile market. This week start of earnings season report. They kick off with a lot of banking sector, and the market will move faster and more volatile. But a lot of sector like biotech, medical supply, internet, online service is still doing very well. But first, let's take a look on the index to see where we're at, and then we will dive out to a couple of stocks that we can see where they going to heading to for the next week. So if you look at the chart here, that's the uh, uh, SPY chart, daily chart. So you can see that they have a trouble to get out of the resistance here. So they keep going sideways, sideways. They slam it down, but they couldn't. The buyer step back in, and finally on a Friday they be able to get out of the trouble zone. So right now the momentum build up with a earning next week start kicking in. The market will try to find a way to retest the gap here, or they will punch through it and find a way to head higher. So in the short term, you can see that on Friday the market put it back down, and after that they hold it up and then put it back up in the upside. So let's see by next week with a lot of earning. It depends on the outcome of the earning. They will we will see the market they be able to put it higher or not. And look at the E-mini SP 500. You also can see that they test out, they failed a couple of times at the sell down. Right now they'll be able to get back in. So they get out and they pull back and retest. And then if the momentum is still there, they will continue to build a case to get out of this trouble zone here, which is the, the pivot high in June, and then they can continue to go higher. So if you look at the Dow is also after they get out of the trouble zone, they try to build the momentum and try to head it up. The Nasdaq is very strong, one of the strongest sector. They try to build a K, and right now they continue to go higher. And the Russell 2000 they fall behind a little bit, but try to catch up. They be able to get out of the trouble zone on Friday, and they continue to gain some momentum. And then let's see where they go. And then it's still in the uptrend, but every time they go up, they pull back down. They go up, they pull back down. So the momentum is still there, but right now they are still in the sideways correction here. So they will, if they be able to break out the Dow trend line here, they can gain some momentum on the upside. And the oil it in sideways correction last week. They pull it back down, but on Friday they be able to climb back up again. So they try to hold up here. If they hold up here, they take this one out. They can get up to that level again. And the euro it after they slam down and then they try to build a K to get up to the upside again. And bond, and they try to break out the resistance area here. They couldn't do it, so they come down on Friday. So right now, in the short term, probably they try to put it back up and continue to go lower. That will help the market to push it back up. The Bitcoin try to build a K. They still hang around here, but the momentum is to the upside. If they be able to break out of this downtrend line here, they will head up uh, more in the upside. So if you look at the market overall, you see a lot of stock that still performing very well, like Tesla, it will continue to go upside, as you can see here, and a lot of stock like Amazon, it's still dominant the market. This one it continue to get to the upside. Apple it also performing very well on the upside, and you can see Facebook also doing extremely well, and Netflix also doing well, as you can see here. So as long as those stocks is still doing well, the market is still be able to continue to go higher. And you see, they see the Alphabet, Google try to get out of the sales on here with a strong momentum. This will tell you that the market is still have room to go to the upside. And next week is the earning season. They start with the bank. So let's take a look on a couple of banks. They are trying to build a base, and then let's see what happens. So JP Morgan, the first one we take a look. So after they come down, they be able to build a base. So on Friday, the buyer tap it in, and you can see right now, even though they still below our moving average, but this is the critical level. They should hold up and bounce back up. So that number one, Goldman Sachs is still doing extremely well, and then they hold up very well, and then they are bounce back very strongly on Friday, 9 bucks, $10 right there. And Bank of America also be able to rebound at the critical level, and then they be able to turn around. And Citibank also try to find a way to head up. And a couple of stock, yes. Oh, this one here also Bionic. It also get out and bull back the support and try to build a base to get out also. So this is all I have for you this week. So pay attention to a lot of stock that they are going to now earning next week, and then we a lot of earning stock that you have to watch out here. A couple of names like TSM, I want to show you. So it also now earning next week. So this stock is pretty strong. That is a semiconductor. It still outperform the market. And let me see here. And then another one is JBST. This one here is also are now earning next week. And then they build the bay. When they get out of the bay, they continue to the upside. And another interesting here is the Domino Pizza. They after they go up, they hit to the sell zone, they build the bay, and right now they try to gain some momentum. Let's see the earning next week. We'll be able to put them into the upside or not. All right, so this is all I have for you this week. And if you like what I'm doing, give me a thumb up, and please sign up with my YouTube channel. So every time I have a new video, I will let you know so that you be able to see where the market is heading to. And if you would like to learn more about our method, our strategy, and how to understand and how to read the price chart, please check out our website at stocknavigator.com. Again, thank you for watching. I will see you on the next video.